Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we bring you real way to make money online. No gimmick, no scams, no fluff. Today we're talking about making serious cash online. If you missed part 1, you're missing out. But don't worry, we're going even bigger today. We're talking about 5 more insane ways to make money online, and some of these are so crazy, you won't believe they actually work. We're talking $10,000 a month, easy. But before we get into it, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another money-making opportunity. Are you ready to get rich? I know I am. Let's do this. Alright guys, let's kick things off with something truly mind-blowing: AI-generated art. You know those crazy images you've been seeing online? Yeah, well, guess what? A lot of them are made by AI, and people are making bank selling them. I'm talking about using tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion to create stunning pieces of art that you can sell as stock images, posters, even NFTs. That's right, you don't need to be Picasso to be an art entrepreneur these days. AI is doing the heavy lifting for you, and the best part is, you can literally do this from anywhere with an internet connection. Just imagine sitting on a beach somewhere, sipping on a coconut, while your AI art empire makes you money in your sleep. Think about it. Personalized AI portraits, custom landscapes, the possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you don't even need to know how to draw. So where do you sell this digital goldmine? Well, for starters, you've got platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock for your AI-generated stock images. Then there's Etsy and Redbubble, perfect for selling those awesome AI posters and prints. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even dive into the world of NFTs on platforms like OpenSea and Rarible. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what you're here for, right? If you're selling AI stock photos, you can easily make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the quality and demand for your work. Custom AI art commissions can bring in a cool $50 to $500 per order, again, depending on the complexity and size of the project. And then there's the wild world of NFTs, where some lucky artists have sold single pieces for over $10,000. So, what are you waiting for? The AI art revolution is here, and it's time for you to get your piece of the pie. Okay, get this, you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. That's right, you don't need to be the next big YouTuber to cash in on this platform. I'm talking about building automated YouTube channels, or as I like to call them, faceless cash cow channels. These channels are all about leveraging the power of AI and freelancers to do the heavy lifting for you. We're talking scripts, voiceovers, video editing, the whole 9 yards. You just upload the content and watch the money roll in. So, how do you get started? Well, first things first, you need content. And that's where our good friend ChatGPT comes in. This AI-powered writing tool can generate engaging scripts for you in minutes, literally. Then you can use platforms like Pictory or InVideo to create stunning videos from those scripts, again, all automated. And for the voiceover, don't worry, you don't need to hire a professional voice actor. AI voice generators like 11 Labs and Murph AI can create incredibly realistic voiceovers that will make your videos sound like $1 million. Now let's talk income potential, because that's what you're really here for, right? Well, with a well-run automated YouTube channel, you can easily make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month just from ad revenue alone. And that's not even counting sponsorships, which can bring in an extra $500 to $5,000 per deal. And if you're really smart about it, you can incorporate affiliate marketing into your videos and start promoting products related to your niche. Done right, affiliate marketing can easily generate an extra $500 to $20,000 per month. The craziest part? There are faceless YouTube channels out there making 6-figure incomes without ever showing their faces. So, if you're looking for a truly passive income stream, this is it. Alright guys, let's talk about online courses, because this is where the big bucks are made. But here's the thing, you don't need to be an expert in anything to create and sell a successful online course. That's right, you heard me correctly. With the power of AI, you can create and sell online courses without being an expert in the subject matter. Think about it. How many times have you wished you could create a course on something you're passionate about, but didn't think you were qualified enough? Well, guess what? Those days are over. AI tools like ChatGPT, Synthesia, and Canva can literally generate an entire course for you, from the course outline to the video lessons. I'm talking about creating high-quality, engaging courses that people will actually pay for, all without you needing to be a subject matter expert. It's like having a team of course creation ninjas working for you 24/7. Now let's talk about where to sell these AI-powered masterpieces. For starters, you've got platforms like Udemy and Teachable, perfect for hosting your structured courses. Then there's Gumroad and Podia, ideal for selling premium digital products, including your amazing courses. And of course, you can always leverage the power of YouTube and Patreon to create ongoing memberships and exclusive content for your students. But let's get down to the good stuff, the earning potential. If you're just starting out, you can easily make anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month selling your AI-powered courses. And as you gain experience and build a following, you can easily scale that up to $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 per course launch. And the craziest part? There are people out there making 6 figures a year selling AI-generated courses. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, this is your chance. Hold on tight, because this next one is a game changer. We're talking about AI-powered avatars and voice cloning, one of the hottest online money-making trends right now. Forget everything you thought you knew about creating videos and presentations, because AI is about to blow your mind. With incredible tools like Synthesia, DeepBrain AI, and ElevenLabs, you can now create digital spokespersons and voiceovers that look and sound incredibly realistic. We're talking about creating engaging videos without ever having to step in front of a camera. Imagine this, you can have your very own AI avatar deliver presentations, create explainer videos, even host webinars for you. And the best part is, you can customize your avatar to look however you want. Want a professional-looking spokesperson? No problem. Need a friendly face for your explainer videos? Easy. The possibilities are limitless. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use these AI-powered tools to create voiceovers for your YouTube videos, business presentations, even TikTok ads. Imagine having a library of different voices at your disposal, all without having to hire a single voice actor. Now let's talk about where to sell these AI-powered services because the demand is through the roof right now. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for finding clients who need custom AI avatar videos. You can also leverage your skills to create faceless content for YouTube automation channels. Remember those? And of course, businesses are always on the lookout for high-quality training videos, and AI avatars are the perfect solution. So, how much money can you make with this futuristic technology? Well, for starters, you can easily charge $50 to $300 per gig for basic AI voiceover work. AI avatar explainer videos can command anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per project, depending on the complexity and length. And if you're creating high-volume content for clients, you can easily generate $10,000 or more in monthly passive income. The best part? This technology is still relatively new, which means there's a massive opportunity for early adopters to cash in big time. Alright guys, we've saved the best for last. This final money-making method is not for the faint of heart, but the income potential is absolutely insane. I'm talking about selling AI-powered websites and chatbots. That's right, in today's digital age, every business needs a website and a way to communicate with their customers 24/7. But here's the thing. Most businesses don't have the time, skills, or resources to build and manage these things themselves. And that's where you come in. With the power of AI, you can now build and sell stunning websites and intelligent chatbots without needing to know a single line of code. That's right, you don't need to be a tech wizard to cash in on this massive opportunity. Tools like Wix ADI and Framer AI make it incredibly easy to create beautiful functional websites in minutes. And for chatbots, platforms like Tidio and ManyChat allow you to build intelligent bots that can handle customer inquiries, book appointments, even process orders, all without any human intervention. Now let's talk about the earning potential because this is where things get really exciting. You can easily charge $300 to $2,000 for a simple AI-powered website, and that's just for starters. AI chatbot setup can range from $500 to $5,000 per business, depending on the complexity and features. But here's where things get really crazy. If you're willing to think bigger, you can create AI-powered SaaS businesses that generate $50,000 or more per month in recurring revenue. Imagine building a suite of AI-powered tools that businesses can subscribe to on a monthly basis. The possibilities are truly endless with this one, guys. GAP3S. Now that we've covered all these incredible methods, let's dive into the numbers. It's time to see just how much money you can potentially make with each of these AI-powered opportunities. First up, selling AI-generated art and stock images. You can sell digital art pieces for anywhere between $10 to $100 each on platforms like Etsy or ArtStation. If you upload high-quality stock images to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, you can earn up to 25 cents per download. Imagine having 1,000 downloads a month. That's $250 in passive income. Next, our automated YouTube channels, also known as faceless cash cow channels. These channels can earn you anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month through ad revenue and sponsorships. With a bit of consistency and strategic content, some channels even rake in over $10,000 monthly. Then, we have AI-powered online course creation. By creating and selling your own courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, you can charge $50 to $200 per course. If you sell just 100 courses in a month, that's an easy $5,000 to $20,000. Moving on to AI voice and video avatars. Offering voiceover services for commercials or creating video avatars for social media influencers can earn you between $100 to $1,000 per project. Pair that with a few clients, and you're looking at $3,000 to $10,000 a month. Finally, selling AI-powered websites and chatbots. As we mentioned earlier, a simple AI-powered website can go for $300 to $2,000, while chatbot setups can range from $500 to $5,000. Imagine landing just 5 clients a month. That's a potential income of $4,000 to $35,000. And don't forget the ultimate goal-creating AI-powered SaaS businesses. These can generate $50,000 or more per month in recurring revenue, depending on the number of subscribers and the pricing model. GAP 2S. So there you have it, folks. The earning potential with these AI-powered methods is absolutely mind-blowing. Whether you want to start small or go big, the opportunities are endless and the income potential is massive. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. Boom! There you have it, my friends. 5 more insane ways to make money online in 2023 and beyond. I told you these were game changers. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. But before you go, you know the drill. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more life-changing money-making strategies, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another epic video. And if you're ready to take your online income to the next level, I've put together some free resources in the description below to help you get started today. So, what are you waiting for? The future of online income is here, and it's waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.